Now, if painting is a job you want to speed up, then spraying is the way to go. Exterior painting in particular can be done much more quickly with the help of an airless sprayer, which is basically a pump that forces paint through a nozzle to coat a surface. While this is quicker than a brush or roller, it also offers less control, particularly on a windy day. You can rent an airless sprayer for between $50 and $75 a day, or you can buy one for $600 to $900. Now, if you have a smaller project, maybe you're painting a little piece of furniture or wanting to give your storage building out in the yard a fresh look, then a consumer designed spray unit like this may be just the thing. They're available between $100 and $60. Now, chances are when you're painting inside your house, you may have a little texture to match. Maybe it's on the wall or the ceiling, and if it's a small patch on the ceiling, you can use acoustic patch that's available in a can. If it's a larger repair that you're working with, you may need to get a hold of one of these. It's a hopper gun that rents for about $25 a day, or you can buy one for around $80, and it hooks right to an air compressor. You're able to mix up some texture, put in here, and you're able to match exactly the way your ceiling is in your house. You can also apply the texture to the walls. It's something that's very popular these days to create a little more interest on those walls.